Oh man, people want soft by all means. People want soft. People want live fresh life. Lord have mercy. See, I take am up to myself, say, man, if I no fit pass this information, God no go forgive me. See, ladies, Mona dey very careful. Mona dey very, very careful. First of all, most of una wey dey spread una labu pint for outside, say una dey dry pint. Mona dey very careful. See, boys are not smiling. They sell pants 200k nowadays. The one when he be say, man, he don't get border for the junction, for the center. You know what I mean by border? You as a lady, you know that one will be say, man, so can red don't the center. That one I be follow compound. Now 350k. Now guys is sell am. Una know why I dey pass on this information? Because my mama na woman. My mama na woman. I get very soft space for my heart for ladies. And I get one character when I tell you deal with ladies. A very precious character. I respect ladies a lot. Now make I say, I no go shame to pass this message. Many of una fit don't hear am. But why men know the fit pass una message be say, una too dey form. Some of una too dey raise una self up. Mostly the poor men children, una too dey raise una self up. Una know dey let guy talk. Either una go dey blast and say, man, you too talk. Go and look for a job. Go get yourself a job. Go shave your beard. Go barb your hair. Person wey dey tough, you look and say, man, you don't stew, you don't soft. The message be say, the talk no go too much. Make una dey careful. And most of una be say, if una go on a guy place, una pack all una pants una get for house. Go your guy place for just one night stand. It's very dangerous. It is dangerous. If you dey go your guy place, go with one pant or two pants. If you wash them for night, you wear them for morning. So that if you dey go house, you go know. If you pack plenty pants go your guy house, he dodge one, you no go fit know. Because you pack plenty pants go there. Ah man, I dey find this my blue pant oh. You no go fit suspect your guy say you want to take your pants. What you want use your pants do? Now what your mind will tell you. You go say, this is my blue pants. Okay, maybe I bring them or maybe I not bring them. You go begin to ask yourself question. But your guy don't dodge that pants. But if it be say na only two pants you take go there, you go know say na two you carry go. You go feel remember. It go dey very easy for you to remember. And most of una we get brothers. Una dey feel say na my brother. See, trust nobody again. Trust nobody again. Your brother fit still carry your pants go sell. If you still carry your pants go sell, and now this one the result when many girls go dey find husband they no go see. Some go marry they no go see pikin. Some big babes, big auntie, sister, all of the day town now. From year to year, no man don't come up for their door say, Papa, this your daughter now how much? Now this rubbish they cause am. Una they sell una self because of worldly things. Una know they think. Una they let all these small peanuts they take away una sense of reasoning. See, every girl and mother, una supposed get that spirit of mother to take care of men. But now, una the less small things they jump into on our brain, go pull virus. No be only there that one for end. You dey spread your pants for anywhere. It dey dear now. It's very expensive now. And they pay me for these guys when they fit get patient Oxo like that. Man, Oxo day. Legit Oxo day. Legit Oxo day. For me as a guy, I dey call those things laziness and man shit. I don't want to be shy to pass this message. I don't want shame to pass this message. Mona just dey careful. Mona just dey careful. That one will be the number one. Number two, money of una be big sister for town now. Una go see small boy of 20, 25 years, boy where you know when they born am. You know do mechanic, you know do panebita, you know serve oga, you go just go remove Mercedes come out. You go just go buy Camry, you go just go buy Range Rover. Una just jump at that front. Pikin wey you know the day where they born am. Because they buy Mercedes, you go lodge you for hotel, go to sleep with you. Abomination. Mokuna wake up. The country is hard, the country is hard. Now the same country wey hard, now everybody still dey. Even Europe now hard past Africa. Many of you no go fit understand. Europe hard past Africa. Because you don't come, you must succeed. Europe hard past Africa. Africa, everybody knows everybody knows everybody na shingbai. Nobody will carry stress put for your body. But for this Europe, your family, your extended family, all of them will put their stress for your head. So it's very, very heavy. Now, when we dey Africa, now even get this message. So, when are they careful? When I want stew by all means. When I want soft by all means. Yes, you people should be careful. Be careful, be vigilant. When I go spread on a pants for inside bedroom. People they from window now they thief pants. People they open louvers, they thief pants where they bedroom. Pants that 200K, now boys they sell them. The one we don't get border for the middle, like where some kind of red spot don't they? That one I be follow come. Now 350K. 350K, now boys they sell them. So make una dey careful. Don't just see anybody and begin to trust them. Many of una no go fit ask una self questions. Say, this small boy of yesterday, where they road tire pass our house, now they drive Mercedes so. Una no go fit reason am like that. Make una advise una self. No, una go begin to find una want to get in contact. Una go want follow and go chop. Some of una go even follow small boys. So una know the day they born them. Go club. Una go to smoke marijuana. Una go smoke hashish, una go smoke pipe, una go still dey post am for Facebook. You will be sister. You will be big girl. We're supposed to call that small boy to others. Say, bros, no verse so. How come this Mercedes? Una no dey ask. Una no care. Una go just sit down for front. Some of una go sit down for front of motor. Tortoise dey under the chair. Una destiny go dey lost. As a man, now they give una this advice. Man, they careful because the bamba thing where they happen with this life now women they cause them. Now women they cause them. Una throat